Hi mates, you're welcome once again to another tutorial. So this is a basic sleeve. If you don't know how to cut a basic sleeve, the link to the detailed tutorial will be in the description below. So do well and watch that right after this video. So I'm just going to spread out the basic sleeve like this and then fold each of the ends. It's going to be a two-piece basic sleeve for a suit, so just make sure that the tip of the middle there joins together. Okay, don't bother about the round arm, just as long as the tip of each of the ends of the front and the back armhole line joins together at the middle, then you can cut it. Then I'm cutting it out just like this, and so I can have two pieces for the sleeve. So do not forget to label each, label each of our piece accordingly, back and front armhole, because it's very important so that when you finish drafting there won't be any mistake. So I'm going to be picking this first. This will represent the inner part of the sleeve. I'm going to transfer it to another plain pattern like this, and then I'll make sure the tip there meets, and then I staple those together. I'm just trying to align it and so that it can stay put. Okay, so like I said, the link to the detailed video on how to draft a basic sleeve is in the description below. And if you're into ready-to-wear pieces, I have a fashion business that's series that I've been doing for quite a while now. You can check it out, where I teach fashion entrepreneurs how to scale up their fashion business. And if you want a one-on-one consultation with me on how to scale up your fashion business, please do well to click on the link in the description below so we can get started. So what I did was just to draft out the basic sleeve. I mean, that's the inner part of the sleeve. So I'm just trying to connect all my lines to indicate the elbow line. So that is what I'm doing right now. So I'm just indicating the elbow line like so. So this is very simple, something you can always draft under 20 minutes. Okay, and please do well to like, to subscribe to this channel, leave your thoughts in the comments, and share this video to as many people who will need it. Thank you. So I'm just trying to indicate my points, and then whenever you are drafting this, do not forget to indicate the front and the back armhole. Okay, it is very, very important. So now on that part, on the front armhole, you can see on that front part you're going to come out by 1 inch, because technically your arm bends forward. Okay, if you look at the geometry of your um arm, it bends forward a bit. So you're going to come out by 1 inch, and then on the back you're going to come in by 1 inch, just like that. And the back, I'm going to come in by 1. So I'm just trying to draw out all my lines. So you come out by 1 inch on the back, and then connect it to the elbow line. So I just want to remove my sample, my pattern, and then, so like I said, on the front armhole line, you're going to come out by 1 inch, and then on the back you go in by 1 inch too, and then you connect it to the elbow line. Then on the front armhole side, you're going to come up by 1/2 inch. Okay, but before then, you're going to come out by 1/2 inch, and then on the back armhole side, like I'm doing it, come down by 1/2 inch as well. So that's going to be your new round arm measurement. Okay, this thing might just look tricky, but as immediately you watch this video, watch it again and make sure you practice along. That's how you can always get it. Now the inner part of the sleeve is always smaller, like the width is always smaller than that of the outer sleeve. So you're going to reduce it by half an inch all through. So that is what I'm doing currently. So I'm just marking half an inch inward, okay, which we are going to return. We'll return it back to the outer sleeve. All right. So I'm going to join the lines all together. We're joining the lines together like this, and we're going to cut this out. So like I said earlier, please do not forget to check out the video on how to draft a basic long sleeve. Okay, the link will be in the description below. And I also run a fashion business mentoring class where I have a one-on-one session with you to help you scale up your business in any area that you might find difficult, especially if you're a beginner, you're just starting your ready to wear business, or you are already in the business already and you need to strategize your business for growth. So you can always reach out to me. The link to call is in the description below, or you can just call the number on your screen right away and we get started. Thank you so much. So that is all on how to draft the inner sleeve. Now, um, you're going to indicate the front and the back armhole there, okay? And then I'm going to be cutting off that extra part on the sleeve. Now, to draft the outer part of the sleeve, you're going to pick out the outer part of the sleeve and then draft it along, draft it out. Just going to draft it out just like I'm doing, okay? It's very simple. So just draft it out, and the outer sleeve is ready. So I'm just trying to mark out my points to indicate my elbow line, the midpoint, the midline on the sleeve. So I'm just using my ruler now to connect my lines carefully. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification, leave your thoughts in the comment section. I always love engagement, okay? Leave your thoughts in the comment section because you really don't know who you might meet in the comment section, and share this video to as many people who will need this. And so I'm just trying to join my lines together. So trying to join my lines together. And please, okay, anytime you watch videos on my channel, please do well to always practice. I'm a supporter of practicing so that you can be perfect. Okay, please, whenever you practice this, please let me know in the comment section. You can drop your thoughts there so that I can know how this was helpful. All right, so I'm just trying to join the lines together like this, and you can see it's very simple as A, B, C. So I'm going to go ahead now to replicate what I did on the inner part of the sleeve. I'm going to replicate what I did here. Okay, I'm going to be coming out from the, I'm going to come out by 1 inch. I'm going to come out by 1 inch on the front armhole sleeve. Okay, just like so. I'll come out by 1 inch and I will connect that to the elbow, and I will go in by 1 inch on the back elbow line, and then connect that to the elbow. Yes, connect that to the elbow line. Just what we did on the front, um, on the inner sleeve. I'm going to replicate what we have there. And I said the reason for coming out by 1 inch is because your sleeve, your arm, by the time you're standing, is not straight. So I'm also going to come up on the front armhole line by half, and then go down by half an inch as well. And that's going to be the new round arm line. So, I said that we are going to reduce the inner sleeve by half an inch, which we did. So we're going to return that half an inch back to the outer sleeve like this. So the outer sleeve is going to be bigger by half an inch than the inner sleeve line. So the next thing to do is just to connect the lines so that you can have the new outer sleeve line, and that is all, as simple as ABC. So I'm going to be cutting this out now, and I have the sleeve ready. So thank you so much for watching to this end. I hope you've gained from this video. If you have, please leave your thoughts in the comment section, like, share, and do not forget to subscribe. Okay, and that is all. So I'm just going to cut that part out. I ought to have done that initially, and that is all. And do not forget to always label your front and back armhole appropriately. So thank you so much. Bye.